guys, we're going to the library and we're just going there and we just got lost because we forgot where it was because we haven't been to the library in a bunch of days, like in a long time. So I'm gonna check out some books and yeah, see you there. Hey guys, so I'm back and I already checked out some books, 4 books actually, and here's the books I got. I got Dark Diaries, A Not So Happily Ever After, Tales from My Not So Happily Ever After. I got 2 Katie Woo books. One is
some free.
Katie Woo Super Scout.
And library cards are free for City of Dallas residents.
And the next one is A Nervous Night.
Then
I already checked out books.
Then
Pero yo puse Dallas Public Library.
yeah, we just went to get
and
we got out from the library.
yeah, and since 2016,
This is literally next door.
Guinness World Record 2016.
I got 4 books.
4 books.
That's
I'm just gonna get 5, so I'm not that
and guys,
responsible. So yeah, see you at the house.
and I also have
See you at the house. Bye. Hey guys, so we're back at the house and now I'm gonna show you the books again so you can see them better. Oh, the camera's full. So you have to clean this out, especially because you like. I know, but it's not on mine. So I got look at you bugs. Door protectors. Guinness World Record. So comment down below one of your favorite books because I'm sure a lot of y'all have bunches of favorite books. So comment down below some of your favorite books or one of your favorite books or a ton, I guess. So yeah, bye. And yeah, love you guys. See you next week. Bye. And I will also film something tomorrow, I hope. So yeah, bye. Peace. Bye. I thank you guys so much. I need at least if you want me to make a video of me playing the game Pie Face, then let's get this video to 1,000 likes. Bye. Peace. Peace. Bye.